Hi guys, welcome to Next to Pavilion. IPL is back. So are we. First match of the IPL, Chennai Super Kings versus Mumbai Indians, the El Clasico of the IPL. So I will guide you to make a dream team in your fantasy, whatever side you might play. So let's start. What are the team news? Let's go to create team. De Kock, Ishan Kishan, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. These are the three options in wicket keeping sections. Obviously, you can drop Dhoni here because धोनी और पुराना धोनी जैसा बल्लेबाज अभी नहीं रहा. Quinton de Kock and Ishan Kishan. De Kock is a hot pick. He is in great form and killing it in international cricket, and he performed really well in 100 also. Ishan Kishan for me would be a great pick. In UAE last year, Kishan hit the most number of sixes and scored plenty of runs for Mumbai Indians. One of their best batter was Ishan Kishan. So that's why he also picked for the Indian team because the World Cup will be played there. So Ishan Kishan for me are trump pick. Look, only 33% selection and Ishan Kishan will be a pick for you. So I will recommend you to pick Quinton de Kock and Ishan Kishan, and you can drop Dhoni. Now, Faf du Plessis will not play as per report. Rohit Sharma will obviously play. So in your small league and head-to-head team, Rohit has to be there. Surya has to be there. Now comes Pollard. Pollard will not probably bowl because Hardik will bowl, Krunal will bowl. So Pollard might not bowl. And usually Pollard does not perform well in the first match. The same case is also with Rohit. Rohit does not perform too well in the first match. So you can skip Pollard. But Pollard has a very good record against Chennai Super Kings. The last time they played in Delhi, Pollard played one of the innings of this IPL. Suresh Raina is kind of a dicey pick. Raina will bat at 4. So Raina is all-time IPL grade, we know, but he is not that Raina anymore. So you might skip Raina, but in your head-to-head team, you must have Ambati Rayudu as a differential pick, because my gut feeling is if Faf is not playing, so either they will open with Rayudu or they will play Robin Uthappa. There is a high chance that Rayudu opens, and Rayudu has a great record against Mumbai Indians. And last year also in the opening match, you remember Faf and Rayudu stitch up that partnership. And this year also in Delhi, Rayudu played exceptionally well. So Rayudu for me is a player to watch out for from Chennai Super Kings side. You can pick Rituraj Gaikwad. Rituraj Gaikwad will open. So you had to go for one Chennai Super Kings batsman, I feel. So Rituraj Gaikwad should be there. Now comes the all-rounder section. Moeen Ali will be an automatic pick. Moeen Ali will bat at 3 for Chennai Super Kings, and there is Quinton de Kock, Ishan Kishan and Krunal Pandya. 3 left-handers in Mumbai top 6, top 7. So Moeen Ali will have his overs and Moeen Ali will be effective, and he will bat at 3. So Moeen Ali had to be in your team. Now Ravindra Jadeja. Jadeja is in very good form, but as I said, there are 3 left-handers. So Dhoni might not use Jadeja for full 4 overs, but Jadeja will bat. Jadeja will give you that all-round package. So I will recommend you to go for Jadeja. And Sam Curran will not play this match because he had to go through 6 days quarantine, and he landed up in Dubai just a couple of days ago. Krunal Pandya, Hardik Pandya. These are 2 tempting options. But you must remember that Krunal and Hardik will share the 4 overs. So who will bowl 4 overs, you don't know. You can take a punt with Hardik Pandya. In the first part of the IPL, in those Chennai tracks, he really struggled. But I feel in these UAE conditions, where he had done well last year, Hardik will come out all guns blazing, and he was practicing really well. So Hardik, if you are making a differential team, you can drop Jadeja and pick Hardik Pandya. That's what I recommend you. And you can skip Krunal Pandya. You can skip, really you can, and you should skip. Now, in the bowling section is the real headache because Jasprit Bumrah, Trent Bolt, Rahul Chahar, Adam Milne, four are absolutely crazy options. But you can pick at least two. Otherwise, if you look the team, look there are so many Mumbai batsmen, so you may have to drop one batsman here. So everyone will going to drop Ishan Kishan. Okay. So if you are making your Grand League team, I will recommend you to drop Rohit Sharma because I told you, as I told you, that in the opening match Rohit does not have a great record. So you can drop Rohit in your Grand League team and focus on the bowlers because I feel Adam Milne will play a critical role for Mumbai Indians tomorrow. He was in red hot form in 100. So Adam Milne, nobody is picking him, only 3.45%. He will be a gun player for them, I feel. Now, if I look at our team, there are four Chennai batsmen: Rituraj Gaikwad, Raidu, Moeen Ali, Jadeja. If Mumbai bat fast, then go with extra Mumbai batsmen. Drop someone like Rituraj Gaikwad. I would recommend you to drop. Then you can pick one extra bowler because there are very good options. If Chennai bowled fast, Lungi Ngidi had to be in your team. Lungi usually picks up wickets. He concedes runs, but he picks up wickets. That's why Dhoni likes him, and he will play a very important role. As there is no Sam Curran, Lungi Ngidi will bowl in the death overs, and if Mumbai bat fast, he will bowl in the deaths and he will take wickets. So Lungi had to be there. Now, I will recommend you to pick both Bolt and Rahul Chahar because Rahul Chahar, wrist spinner is always a handy pick to have in your team. And if you look this team, Bolt will give you overs, Rahul Chahar will give you overs, Adam Milne will give you overs, and Lungi Ngidi, Moeen Ali, Ravindra Jadeja, they will offer you overs for the Chennai side. Now the big call is I am dropping Jasprit Bumrah here. Why? Because usually teams play him safe. I think Chennai is a smart team. They will play Bumrah on merit. They will not probably attack him too much. That's why there will be less chances for him to take the wickets. And if Shardul Thakur plays, I am not too sure about Shardul Thakur because he was iffy last time. He had a great test in England, but in the first part of the IPL, I used to pick Shardul Thakur every time, and he cost me, Shardul Thakur. Really, he did. Imran Tahir had a great chance to play. If Tahir plays, you can consider him in place of someone like Adam Milne. In your Grand League team, you had to mix. You had to mix and rotate your team. That's the only option. But I will recommend you in your head-to-head team to go for this setup. You can't drop Rohit actually. That's why this is a safe setup for I will suggest you. And I am predicting a Mumbai win. That's why I am going for this setup. But remember, Mumbai is a slow starter. But if we look officially, this is not the first game of the tournament, so they might do all right actually. Who are the options? Deepak Chahar is a good option, but Deepak Chahar will bowl at the top with the new ball, and he might not come in the death. And in opening there is Rohit and Quinton de Kock, whom I feel are in great form, and I am depending on those two, so I can afford to drop Deepak Chahar. This is the team, and if we go to captain and vice captain options, let's go. Quinton de Kock is a great option. Moeen Ali is an automatic option. And if you are playing Grand League, I will recommend you three names: Ambati Rayudu, Lungi Ngidi, and Ishan Kishan. These are the three names I will recommend you in Grand League. Try them out. Ishan Kishan, Ambati Rayudu, and Lungi Ngidi. And for small league head-to-head team, you can go with just simple Moeen Ali captain, and Quinton de Kock vice captain, because de Kock will give you points in two aspects, batting and wicket keeping. So this is the team it looks like. For final team, please join my Telegram channel next to Pavilion. So I will give you the final team there, and if you like the video, do give a like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.